Hey Rustaceans, welcome back to the Rust in Action series videos on the Rust programming language. Today we're going to try to find a needle in a haystack using the powerful control flow operator match, the match statement. There's plenty more to say about this, but let's dive in and start using it, and stick around because we're going to go and do some Rust right now. Okay, so I am here in a new .rs file. I called it action_25. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to make a function called main, and I'm going to create an array called a haystack that I want to search through. And I'm just going to put some crazy numbers in here and set that. So that is our haystack, which we will find the needle 42 and maybe 1,000, let's say. And we're going to use match to do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is iterate over the haystack array, and we're going to use .iter to do that. And this isn't Python, so I'm not going to use colon. I am going to use brackets. So for reference, should be in haystack.iter. What I could do is let item, let's say item equals, now I have to put this star here, I believe, because these are mutable data items inside of reference, and if I didn't put that star there, I might be in trouble with the mutability. This goes to ownership and borrowing in Rust, which are core concepts, and if I said that wrong, I will have a addendum in the notes there, but I believe I need that star. So for now, let's print line and say that the reference do is do, and what we're going to do is use item and reference and item, and we will check these out. Now I don't think I need these brackets inside of the print line macro. Shouldn't. Okay, compile this. I'm going to do that by doing rustc on the file, and the compiler is going to complain at me, and it's going to say unexpected token. Okay, so I need to put a token there, and then see if I can compile this. Okay, it compiled, so it should be okay. So the reference 1 is 1, 42 is 42. Okay, so that was expected. So let's go back and now let's use the match statement. So let result equal match item. I think that's it. Match item, and this is going to be something like 42 or, what did we say, 1,000. Yields found, otherwise unknown. The default, if you're not found, your underscore, which is not found, essentially everything else is going to be a miss. And then let's say we print line this again, use the print line macro again to say item was due. So I'm not sure why it's putting these brackets in here, but we're going to use item and result, and I believe that should work. Let's see if the compiler yells at me. Okay, so 2 errors here. Unexpected token. I think this is what I need to do because I don't have a token. Okay, so that, oh wait, no, I need to compile. No, 2 errors. It's not a semicolon, it's a comma. So let's see if that compiles now. Whoops. No, print line. Okay, I should have a comma back here and a semicolon at the end of that match statement. So let's see if this compiles now. What's nice about Rust is that the compiler yells at you, so if in fact, you're not doing it right, it will tell you about it right away. It won't let you make that error. So we could say that we successfully found that some are misses and some are founds. 42 and 1,000 are found. So now what we could do is be more discerning. So if result is found, we can say, we can print instead of just, whoops, and I'm not in Python, I'm in Rust, so it's not going to be a colon. So let's see if this compiles. It does. So 42 and 1,000. So this is the match statement. We learned that we can iterate over an array using .iter. We have to set this star for the reference. We have to match the item in here, and this is sort of the syntax that we use. And then we can optionally print. So stick around for more on match and for all of this of what we've done in this Rust in action video. More videos to come. Thanks for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.